Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube in iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to your iPhone settings. Just tap on Settings here. Then, scroll down until you find General. Click on the General. Now, in the General settings, click on the Picture-in-Picture option. Now, make sure it's toggled on. Got it? Great. Now, let's move on to the second part. Next, open the YouTube app. Once you're in, navigate to your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. After that, click on the settings at the top right corner of the screen. From there, go to General. And, you guessed it, look for the Picture-in-Picture option. Make sure this one is also toggled on. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy picture-in-picture on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.